Hi friends, we're back. Today we're gonna play with clay. It's not toxic, super soft, and rich colors. Oh. Let's open it. Okay. So we're gonna open it from here. Wow! Let's see what this is. I think these are goodie bags. Wow, smart. Okay, let's see what we can make. Ooh, look at this pretty mermaid. Okay, we can mix these colors together. That's let's see. Let's find this green. I think it's this one, correct? Let's find it. I think it's this one. Let's see. Yeah, let's switch. Yeah, it is. Good job. Oh, there's even some down here. Wow. How many pieces are there? I think 100? 100. That's what I saw here. Wow. Oh my gosh. Friends, this is a lot. It's so much. Yeah. Okay. Let's find the missing color. I think it's this. Check. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make like I don't know. Let's see here. Friend, what do you think I should make? Oh, I know. I think I'm gonna make like a little heart. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a little heart. Oh yeah, little mushroom. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Hello. Friends, should I open this up? I guess so. Okay, let me see what I can make. How do you open this? I can't wait to open this. Open. Okay, I'm gonna get a little black. Let's find a black. I already got black. There's another black. Ooh. Let's get it. Let's open it. Quite hard. Oh, no. But I got it because help me open this. Oh my gosh, thank you. Electricity. Get out of my finger. This is soft, really soft. It's like a clay that I know. I don't remember where. Okay, let's see. I played with it, but it's just like it's soft. Whoa. This is amazing. Ooh, this is like bubbly. Oh, this is not really like I thought it would feel. It's like bubbly, but it's not gonna feel bubbly anymore. Let's put this here. That was quick. That's such a ball. Oh, now I remember where I got it. Let's see how I can. It looks like a blue slime, just like this. Okay, so I decided to do this. So I just wanted to skip this one because I wanted to do a little space in the bottom. Let me find a little brown that I need to put here, like little things. Ooh, it's this one. Bubble. Okay, so I'm gonna. So friends, you're gonna see what I'm gonna make for you guys. Okay, look, friends, you're gonna love what I'm making for you guys. It's gonna be so cool. I'll put this. They're pretty hard to make. Okay. So we cut this. There. Wasn't that bad? Wait, why did I do that all now? Okay, let's mix it up. Okay, let's see. Oh. Friends, I think I'm gonna have to start over. This is not turning out like I wanted it to. Maybe I can try. Never give up. Fearless. What's so funny? And fancy. Stretch out. not really. It's gonna turn out so pretty. Yeah, I don't know about this, guys. Nope, not working. I'm just gonna try my best to do this. I'm not really a master of this yet. I don't really play with clay that much. I play with slime, but not clay. But this clay's just like slime. It's very stretchy. Yeah. Trying my best. Like and subscribe if you think I can do this. I think I'm done with this. I'm gonna put it in the side if I'm gonna have to use it again. Now I'm gonna put the little leaves. Okay, yeah, I think I'm done with this. Over here. Get it off. Yeah, I'm just gonna add the white. I have to do a little heart here. Maybe I don't have to do the heart. Just write something instead. I've been writing with slime. I'm good at it. I'm not that bad. Actually, I'm just good. I'm not bad with it. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna use this. Let's see. No. I think this color, right? Yeah, that matches. Dear friends, the tea is not really good. I did not like it. It's okay, it's fun. It's very good. It's very good. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna do like the YouTube sign, and then I'm gonna put thank you for watching. That's what I was gonna do for you guys. And then maybe I use a black, so the A is not that bad actually. I kind of like it. It's just that it's a little, this is a little too long. Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay. See. Yeah, this will work. Okay. Here. Yeah, it looks good. Right? Just like this one. Friends, the letters is not turning out well. At all. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave this. Ugh. Mimi, you look so good. I love it. Thanks. KK, don't do this again. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good, right? You did it again. Wow. Pretty good. Yeah. Wait, can I see? Oh, it's pretty beautiful. Let me try to make another. I need it so skinny, but it's so long, so I can't do this. Oh no. For watching. Now W is gonna be so hard. This is turning out so good. Friends, like and subscribe if you like it. Wow. Oh, A. Okay, now I just need G. Then I'm done, and then I need to use the white. I don't think I'm gonna do the heart because that's gonna be pretty hard. I want to do it for you guys, but it's hard, so we need to do our best. I'm done, friends. Thank you for watching. Now I'm done. I just need the white, and then I'll show you guys the result. Oh, this is drying. Ooh, everything's drying. I have to go fast. How do you open this? Open, open, open. That butterfly. Well, where are you, butterfly? There you are. Don't fly away. I opened the other one, but now I don't know how to open this one. Oh, there. Oh, yay, I got the whole thing. I'm almost done. Yeah, this is so bubbly. Okay, there you go. Now I just need to do the antennas very fast. Can I borrow one of your black? Yeah, I'm not even gonna use it. Actually, I could use one of my brown. I put it back here or here. I don't know. Yeah, here. Oh, there. I'll fix that later. Okay, friends, are you ready for the final step? Okay. Wow! There! Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty! Oh my, actually, it looks so pretty. Bye friends, don't forget to like and subscribe.